There are many ways the imageRUNNER Advanced device can enhance productivity, such as adding a button that lets you send documents to your email address or to your network folder, or even to recipients saved in personal or group address books. My advanced features require an authentication or login system to be activated on the device. Press your username, enter your user password, and then press Login. Let's start with Send to Myself. From the main menu, press Scan and Send. Select Send to Myself. You can also choose to send to a network folder if one is assigned to you by your administrator. Select your desired send settings, such as file format, add a file name, skip blank pages, and so on, all accessible within Options. You can also define these settings as shortcuts. Press Start on the control panel to start the job. Your document is scanned and then emailed directly to your email address. With the My Advanced features of the imageRUNNER Advance, you can access your own personal address book, so you can easily find your commonly used destinations without having to scroll through the full shared address book on the device. To register a new address to your personal address book, log into the device and then press Destination Forward Settings from the main menu. Select Register Destinations. Press Register New Destination. You can register a new email address, fax number, an iFax destination, a file, or a group. In this case, let's select Email to register a new email address. Personal Address List is set by default. You can also set up a group address book that's shared by multiple users, such as a department. Enter the recipient's name and email address. Press OK. The recipient is added to your personal address list. To send to a recipient in the address book, press Scan and Send. Select Address Book. Select a recipient. Use the up and down controls or the alphabet filters to find the desired name and press OK. Select scan options such as file format, color, or two-sided original. Press Start on the control panel to start the job. The document is sent to the email address of the recipient you selected from your personal address book. These are just some of the features that can help create efficiencies. You can also customize quick menu settings to make it easier to access your frequently performed tasks. For more information, view the remaining videos in the series.